if you want to learn AI, imagine you have Karpathy sitting next to you, teaching you like he does his YouTube videos. It's amazing. He can teach it to like a 5-year-old about how to make LLM. It's amazing. Like imagine this guy sitting next to you and just teaching you like, let's make an LLM together. Like, holy shit, it would be amazing.
Yeah, I mean, well, Karpathy has its own style, and there's like, I'm not sure he's for everybody. For example, a 5-year-old, it depends on the 5-year-old.
Yeah, but
he's like super technical.
But he's amazing because he's super technical, and he's the only one who can explain his stuff in a simple way, which shows his complete genius.
Yes,
because if you can explain it without jargon, you're like, wow.
And build it from scratch.
Yeah, it's like top tier, you know, like what a guy.
But he might be anti-framework because he built from scratch.
Exactly. Yeah, actually, probably is. Yeah.
He's like you, but for AI.
Yeah, so maybe learning a framework is a very bad idea for us. You know, maybe we should stay in PHP and like script kiddie and.
But you have to maybe by learning the framework, you learn what you want to yourself build from scratch.
Yeah, maybe you learn concepts, but you don't actually have to start using it for your life, right? Yeah.